Let's see what we're doing. They smell so good. I think the scent is like a buttery vanilla. There's a lot going on in here. You know what? No, scratch that. I'm gonna wait until it. Yeah, that kind of sucks because it was hot yesterday and we took our time. Hey vlog, today is Sunday. I just been getting some things done around the house. We have company coming over this weekend, so I just really want to get the house in order. I got a pretty busy day. Just at home, just a lot of stuff to do at home. I cleaned up this morning. Well, first I made breakfast this morning for me and my family, and then after that I got some cleaning done. So after doing all that cleaning and cooking, I think I did laundry. I was just ready to chill, and I was like, let me get on the camera. Welcome to another vlog. If you haven't already, make sure you have subscribed and make sure you like this video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it. I'm still getting used to looking at the camera. I'm still getting used to being vocal and putting myself out there. So just if you have any tips or anything like that, just please leave it in the comments. Let me know how you think I'm doing. I also wanted to show y'all how I got my hair done. I got my hair done in crochet. I love it. I love my hair. Miss Maggie did a really great job, and I will tag her in the description area. If you are looking for a really nice hairstylist, she does braids, weaves, twists. She also does dreads. So we love Miss Maggie, and we stand by Miss Maggie. Definitely look in the description for her information, and if you're in the Tampa Bay area, make sure you book with her. The first thing I want to do now that breakfast is done, the house is clean, all that's done, we got to get this office in order. I'm gonna show y'all my office. I don't even know if I want to show y'all my office. It's a hot mess in here. It's a lot. But in order to get the office in order, I need to get everything in here out of here, because everything that's mainly in here is Halloween decorations, because we are decorating for Halloween today. I am so excited. I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite holiday. Still August, girl. It is August 27th. I am starting early this year because one thing y'all not gonna do is try to like sweep Halloween under the rug. I was looking for Halloween decorations and there's already Christmas stuff out, and I was like, you bet not. Like, we are going to celebrate Halloween this year. I got some new stuff because I wanted to go with a new theme. First, I want to show y'all this office because, girl, she is a hot mess. Hot mess. So, let me start over here by the door. So, I finally found a new office chair, and so we need to get that put together. I got some stuff that I need to take back to Ollie's and Walmart and Ross. I kind of overdid it yesterday. It's a lot going on in here. The office is covered in Halloween decor. Those are some gifts that for my girlfriend's parents, because we have company coming over this weekend. I started folding laundry before I got on camera with y'all because I just wanted to knock it out of the park while I was waiting on the camera to charge. So, let me face this way. Okay, yeah, the lighting in the office is always on point. But anyways, the goal for today is to get this office in order. I want to get the house decorated, the inside and the outside, at least the front porch. I don't know if we'll do the front yard yet. And then I want to put my chair together, but honestly, I don't know if I'll be able to get to the chair today. And then I also want to finish the laundry. I hate laundry. If it sounds like I'm talking fast, it's because I am, because the camera's about to die. But that's everything that I kind of got on the schedule today. Let me get off the camera so I can get it done. But I'll definitely be keeping in touch with y'all so y'all can see how the decorating is going. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video, and share. Make sure you share this video. Share this video because I'm gonna try to get this out before Halloween. So somebody might see something that they want and they'll be able to go and get it, or just get a little bit of inspiration for whatever I am doing. So make sure you share this video. All right, I'll check in with y'all later. Bye. My hair up in a little claw clamp so I could get it out of the way while I'm decorating. I'm just getting some flower arrangements done. I got 3 bouquets of flowers from Walmart, and I'm usually able to split that up and maybe make 4 bouquets, but this time I was only able to make 3, which kind of sucks. The vase that I'm using for the kitchen table, I just got this from Walmart. No, I got this from Ross. But this is the floral arrangement for the kitchen table, or the dining room table, whatever you want to call it. So this vase is so big compared to the one that we usually keep on the table, so it needed a lot more flowers. It was looking very bare when I divided everything up to like where it was gonna go. And then I have this mason jar that, something got on me. We used to have this mason jar. It used to be in our laundry room, and I used to keep the Tide Pods in this one and the laundry beads in this one, and this is the one that we're not gonna use. So I already put flower food in that water. So I was thinking about saving that water because I don't want the flower food to go to waste. I don't want to be wasteful with the flowers food. You might get hungry, but I was thinking about doing that, and then I was like, I don't know, Tanisha, that doesn't sound very healthy. I can just go to the store and get some more flower food. Trying to make sure they're all cut at an angle. I am so excited about Halloween, y'all. I love Halloween. I am not getting Halloween candy yet because I got Halloween candy early last year, and my family, well, not even my family, even me, we like tore that Halloween candy up. I'm just gonna move this yellow one over here. I got these flowers from Walmart. Because it's a busy week, I went ahead and just got what I could salvage, but I could tell that these flowers have already been there for maybe like, I don't know, maybe they're already a week old, because, and y'all will have to excuse Gary in the background. I could just tell that they were already really old, or not really old, but like a week old when I got them. And I usually will just go across the street to Publix and grab some if the ones at Walmart look like this, but I just didn't have time. I'm gonna go ahead and finish decorating. I already put up a couple things, and once everything is done, I'll show you guys how it looks. Or, you know what, no, scratch that. I'm gonna wait until it gets dark outside. I can turn on all the candles, and then I feel like there will be a better visual of how the Halloween decor is going to look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
Nice flip.
Hey vlog. So as y'all can see, it is nighttime now. Like I said, I wanted to show you guys how everything turned out when it was dark outside. And I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me, but some of my family, they're already sleeping, so I don't want to talk loud. I just was so excited to show you guys how we decorated everything. Everything came out perfect. I want to get some more stuff for the front porch. The wreath outside, it needs to come down a little bit, so I'm gonna try to find some black shoestring to tie around the wreath. I know I said we probably wouldn't put anything out in the yard yet, but we just went ahead and did it. I'm not gonna turn on any lights because I feel like this right here was an entire vibe, so I was like, this is perfect. This is awesome lighting for the aesthetics, if you will. But yeah, let's see what we did. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Girl, I'm about to bake some cookies. I am so excited. So this is the setup for the kitchen island. The candle holders were actually black. I've had them ever since my first apartment, and last year we spray painted them white and got these candles to go on top. They smell so good. I think the scent is like a buttery vanilla. So as the days go down, for Halloween, we will take these out and change it every day until Halloween. So I just thought it was so cute. Before I turn off the light, I'll get a little closer so you guys can see. Isn't he so cute? He is the cutest. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the theme for this Halloween is friendly ghost. So all the ghosts in the house are gonna be like warm and welcoming. I wanted all of them to be friendly but have a little bit of different personality. So this one is just so cute. The candle holder behind it I got from Dollar General last year. I think last year we didn't use it as a candle holder. We used it as a candy holder. I had it on the kitchen table and we had candy in it. I wasn't really feeling my decorations last year, so this year I was really excited to, you know, do a different theme. And when we settled on friendly ghost, I was like so excited for this. This one in particular this ghost in particular came from Ross. The tip of the little ghost hat is chipped, so I asked them if I can get it a discount. I think it was like $9 and I got it for $6. But I'm gonna turn off the light and show you guys how the candle holder is reflecting on the wall. I just think it was so cool. It's cute. I know I said all of them are so cute, but he is so cute. Like, look at his little long legs and his little body. Like, yes. He also is carrying a little sign that says boo, and it moves, and it has little spiders on it, so it'll kind of go with the rest of the spider stuff that we have going on throughout the house. I also got him from Ross. I don't remember how much he was. I want to say he was 13 bucks. It's like a little pillow. And I think he's just perfect for right here. So he's probably going to be the first thing that pops out at you when you walk into the living room. He is just so cute. My best friend Mercedes got me this little ghost. He sings and he dances, but I don't want to press the button because it is really loud. But you press this little hand right here and he'll start like singing in his little tune and glowing and dancing, and it is the cutest thing. I have to show y'all sometime during this vlog. She got this from me the other day when we went on our shopping trip. We went to first we went to Ikea, and then we went to Wine and Wood for wine and charcuterie, and then we went to TJ Maxx, and I seen this ghost, and I was telling her how we were gonna do a ghost theme in the for Halloween this year. I picked this up and she ended up getting it for me, and I was so happy about that. I thought it was so nice. He is the cutest. So the next thing that we got on our trip to TJ Maxx was this candle. It's by D.W. Homes. It's called Candy Corn, sweet, warm, and creamy, and it is just like that. 13.8 ounces, and I want to say it's been burning for maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, and it's burning slow, which is a good sign to me. I feel like a candle that smells good and doesn't burn super fast I feel like that's a really good candle. This is something else Mercedes got for me. She got me this basket. So she got me the ghost and the tune, and then the candy corn candle in this basket. I have a best friends. I don't know about you and your friends, but me and my friends, Chad, we get it. But anyways, I got this blanket from Ross yesterday because I wanted to start keeping extra blankets in the living room, especially around company season, because I feel like the kids and the younger people kind of gravitate more towards the game room and Dairy's room, but I feel like the adults gravitate towards the living room. Like I was saying, I feel like the older people kind of gravitate towards the living room, and the younger people that come over, they kind of gravitate towards Dairy's room and the game room. So that's why I wanted to have extra blankets in here, because when you're sitting in here under the fan and you're just sitting in for a while, it kind of gets cold. I've always wanted to have the basket just somewhere in the living room with extra blankets in it. I just love that look. Yesterday, I picked up that blanket. I love it. This blanket is so thick, it's so warm, and it's so cute. It was the only blanket at Ross that had ghost on it. I was in the Halloween section for a good like 30 minutes, and one of the employees came over and she was like, "Hey, you're not doing anything wrong. I just wanted to let you know that we're gonna be having another shipment of Halloween stuff." She was like, "Next week." She was like, "Just in case you don't see anything you like." And I was like, "Girl, thank you." But I don't know, like, I honestly feel like we're good, especially for the inside. I feel like we're good. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I'm not sure what time it is, but I'm gonna go watch some TV with Deary, and I'll definitely check in with y'all in the morning. Another thing I did not get to today was that chair. I didn't put that chair together. But I kind of want to get up early tomorrow and finish folding the laundry and put the chair together. And it's a really, really nice chair. I'm really, really happy that we found it because we've been looking. And I thought I found a chair and I was really excited about it. It was a teal or aqua color, kind of like the decor in the office. And we seen it at Home Senses. There's a Home Senses that just opened up near us, so I was really excited about that. So I was like, you know, like, man, we need to come back and get this chair. Girl, we went back to get the chair gone. But anyways, I'm rambling. What's new? Like I said, I'm gonna go watch TV with Derry until it's time for him to go to bed, and I'll definitely check in with y'all in the morning. Good night.
Goons.
Rocky, please, sir. He just stretched right in front of the camera. I'm so happy y'all can't see his butt. Hey, boo-boo. These are not treats. If that's what you're thinking. Sir. Hey! Don't do that in here. So how are they supposed to stay in here? It says 3, 5, and 3. You done made my damn screw come out. What? What are you talking about? What? Oh. I was using the wrong thing. Okay. There we go. Woo! We are almost done. And I am so excited. Oh. And we are officially done. Let me back it up so y'all can see. Can you see? This is so nice. Oh, it's so comfortable. You can go. You can get through that. Okay. Girl, ain't nobody talking to you. Girl, bye. So I got 5 minutes. I'm gonna get my mess cleaned up and I'm gonna start working. I am so happy I have a new chair. I'm about to head on my walk before it starts storming. I don't know if y'all know, but there is actually a hurricane headed our way. That's nothing new living in Florida, but I think I told y'all yesterday that we decorated the porch. Well, all that stuff had to come down. At first they were saying it was just gonna be a really strong tropical storm. So now they're saying that it could possibly be a low category hurricane by the time it makes landfall here in Tampa. So we decided to just take all that stuff off the porch. Yeah, that kind of sucks because it was hot yesterday and we took our time trying to make sure that the porch looked real good just to have to take everything back down. But it's okay. We can't control the weather. That's pretty much it. I'll check in with y'all later. I'm about to head on my walk. Bye.
thank you for your perspective and sharing some of that insight. I'm so glad you were fortunate enough to not see these conditions and checking in with people who live here about what they're dealing with and how they plan to move forward. But for now, I'm Lydia Vasquez in Oldsmar, ABC Action News.
Lydia, thank you, and stay with us. We're continuing to track Hurricane Idalia next.
Exclusive video from Laura Mesh, who we met. She recorded this video right here. This is video of the fire actually burning the house down. And so this smoke that you see right here are the remnants of the fires. If you were with us last time, you saw how there was a truck that was lodged into the ground because of all of the sand that was kicked off up over the beach and onto the roadway, and then the water that saturates it. So we want to make sure that people are being safe when they're next to bodies of water. Always think twice when you think, should I drive through this or not? There's always, you're running a risk, honestly, and especially earlier, where were we? We were.
Okay, we lost him. But hopefully we will get him back, because I do want to ask him about the aviation units who were up in the sky, just so we know where that flooding was the worst.
Well, we know he's busy. I know he's going around to different parts of the county right now, so we're going to get him to call.
It is up to people's shins, almost to their kneecaps. There are, in fact, people who are kayaking around here. And Allison, you want to point here to Grand Bayou. So we were standing by the seawall there yesterday. We can't get out there right now. We did see little bands every now and then. Sir, how far do you live from here? How far is Denver Street from right here?
Right here, I'd say about 1,000 yards.
Okay, and how is your house doing?
We got about 2 inches of water in the garage, but no structural damage.